we last left off, we were looking for the ghost, the spooky ghost of power. Pow, pow, pow. This magical pumpkin will help guide the way. Take him with us. Let's go.
We found the note and he left when I was looking in the journal.
We found a note.
Guys, look, there's a note. I'm lost. Keep looking. Spooky, the magical ghost.
Well, we're going to have some new member voting today. Let's take a sneak peek at the new members we're going to vote on.
Oh, mine are new today.
All these. And then what we've got to do is a couple new things. So, the lights are going off. Cooper, you get to nominate first. Who is it for us today, Cooper? It's a sing-a-ma-ling. Cooper, what would you like to say about this sing-a-ma-ling monkey?
He's really cute and he's funny.
Elena, do you have anything to say about him?
There's little teeth in there, but you just can't see it. But if you stick the finger inside, you can feel the teeth biting on you.
Okay, Cooper, you're gonna vote first. What are you gonna vote?
Yes!
Oh. What are you gonna vote for this little sing-a-ma-ling?
Yes, I want to see him every day.
All right, you're in, sing-a-ma-ling. Congratulations! We're gonna try to signal to the outside world. Here we are. We're Star Uniforce. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The moon. That's what they're gonna think. Look up in the moon.
Look, it's the moon.
The moon. It's in a triangle.
Elena, who do you nominate?
I got it from a store. It's in a little box that says, "Please adopt me," and I adopted it. I think she's friends with squirrels. She's
friends with squirrels.
In the book it says she's friends with squirrels. Her friends are squirrels.
Cooper, what do you have to say about this unicorn?
Nothing.
Cooper,
You vote no.
what do you vote?
No! I know it! No.
I
No.
need to vote not always yes.
But no, sometimes too.
I'm going to vote maybe.
You can do it. Do it. Do you want me to poke the viewers? You need to say yes or no, not a maybe. Poke the audience.
Because of the vote of maybe, you are going to be put to the challenge. The challenge. Your challenge is to find the ghost of power. Power. I got a clue from my long-lost cousin, the Fathership. Follow your nose. And I have an exceptionally good nose.
Yeah!
Follow the smell of the fruit roll-up. And you shall find the ghost. Next, Cooper, who do you have?
Chopper.
Do you have something to say about this chomper?
Oh, yes.
What?
Every time Mousy kisses him, it annoys the chopper. That's all I know about him.
Disgusting, I agree.
Say all to the audience.
Are you gonna kiss the chomper?
No.
Chomper. What's your vote, Cooper?
Yes!
Elena, what's your vote?
No, because I don't want him biting my face.
Oh, and my vote is
Yes.
no. You are not in Star Uniforce.
Get out of the mothership!
You are going to be banished. Don't you mess with the mothership.
What would happen? What happened? They died!
Don't mess with the mothership. Star Uniforce, I have ultimate power. Pow.
Mousy needs to kiss Chomper every single day. That's
Why did you vote no? Then why did you vote no for Chomper?
Because I didn't want him biting me in the Star Uniforce.
Oh, okay. Elena, who's next to be nominated?
It's a bear sweet.
It's a bear sweet? And what's that on his shirt? Is that a shirt?
It's mint.
It's a mint?
It's mint on its little PJs. It's beautifully smell. The smell is beautiful.
It smells beautiful. And
Smell it, camera. Smell it. Beautiful.
Wow, it does smell great. What's your vote, Cooper?
It is. No. Nope. Yes.
You voted yes?
Yay!
Oh, Cooper!
That's so nice to me!
Oh.
Celebration time!
the mission is if
find the ghost and eat a snack.
Oh, remember, hold on to the rails. You remember what happened to Billy? You remember what happened to Billy Bob?
Yeah, but seriously, and the first episode you were gonna tell us about Billy Bob, and he's like, oh, I guess didn't tell you. If you haven't watched the first episode, go to the first episode right now and then continue going back to this video. I did that because
I got a clue from my long lost cousin, the father ship. Do you know what the clue is?
No!
Follow your nose. Now follow the smell of the fruit roll-up, and you shall find the ghost.
I'm gonna. Oh! We found it! It was in his mouth! The right sound!
The ghost of power. We have finished adventure number 1 of Star Uniforce. Find the ghost of power. I'm so happy we're reunited. Me and my ghost of power. We are unstoppable together. You are my guardian of the fort. This is so exciting.
The ghost is hugging you.
I love you, ghost. I love you, ghost.
I love you too.
Oh.
I'm gonna eat my food one.
Do you need a snack too?
No, thank you.
Come on, Coop, let's
I'm
go.
an age with a
It looks like you got your dinner's left over.
Hurry up, come here. Whoa! You just made it. I'm killing all you zombies. I'm so dizzy. Now I'm gonna go eat my food. It's gone. Someone kidnapped the fruit roller.
What?
That's the same money.
Oh my goodness, what happened?
Somebody kidnapped my food roller and the singing piggy.
Oh no!
That!
Adventure 2 and episode 3 will be Who Stole the Fruit Roll-Up and the Sing-a-ma-ling?
Wait a second! There's a crumb.
There's a crumb. Are there any other hints?
No.
If you think you know who stole the fruit roll-up, put it in the comments. Cooper, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to get you another snack. This was a great episode of Star Uniforce. What do you think, Elena?
Good.
What do you think, Cooper?
Good.
And we found the ghost of power, 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 power.